Hey, Mike and Will. It was a pleasure speaking with you yesterday, Mike, and I was glad to be able to help you out with that phone number. But my name is Lee Terbienic. I was doing some research in your area, came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help your business grow, just give me a call and we can chat. So today, the 3 major things I want to cover is content, citations, and backlinks. So Google likes to typically see around 1,500 words on a homepage, and that's so you can fit in these important keywords, which we're going to go over shortly throughout. Now, as we scroll down, I do love the look of your site. You got a nice logo, beautiful heading up here with your services listed. As we scroll down, I do suggest getting a nice form submit here so people can quickly, fill out their information and send it to you if they're looking for a service. I put a huge keyword right here, whatever one we want to target, which we're going to show. I'm going to go through all that shortly. But here's content, a couple pictures, some reviews, a little bit of content. But I'm not seeing it nowhere near the 1,500 that Google likes to see. So let's go look at your competition. I just did a quick search for carpet cleaning Jacksonville, Florida, and zeroresjacksonville.com is coming up in first place. So let's see what kind of content they have. So as we scroll down, kind of the same type of deal here. Cool little thing going on in the background, unnecessary, but as we scroll, not much content either on this homepage. So if we were to go get that 1,500 words, you'd easily beat them in this aspect. So now let's go back. I want to touch base on Google for you. Up here is your Google guarantee, which is local guarantee. This second section is the Google Map Pack. Now I want to touch base on these two, this section and the organic section down here, because this is the creme de la creme. This is where you're going to get a lot of business from by ranking in this top 3 and your website being right here. So you're probably wondering, hey Lee, how do I get my business listing to pop up in the top 3? Well, you're competing with a bunch of other companies. And Google dictates your ranking in this based on how many citation sources you have. Now, a citation source is your name, address, and phone number listed in a bunch of directories all across the web. So Yellow Pages, Yext, MapQuest, CityStar, Facebook, YouTube's even one of them. The more, the better. And you want quality ones, not any spammy sites, the well-known sites. And I'm gonna show you that shortly. And also good reviews, pictures, adding pictures in whatever location that you go to and geotagging them and replying to your reviews and having this GMB just filled out all around correctly. If we end up touching base more, I'm going to show you, these guys compared to yours and see what the difference is and why they're there and why you're not. But let's see how many citations they have. So I have this local citation finder tool that I use, and I plugged in Green Dry Carpet Cleaningville, Jacksonville's information, and they only have 29 citation sources to grab that top spot. And this is going to show me where they're getting them from: YouTube, Facebook, Bing, Yelp, MapQuest, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, merch articles, Zoom info. And as you know, those ones that we know, they're strong because this DA shows how strong they are. We know they're well-known websites. As you get down, look, World Orgs, Deals Near Me, they're not transferring any power. So we want to get relevant, powerful citations. I suggest getting 100 for your business and getting up in this top 3 map pack and beating these guys out. And also, it's getting your name out there in more directories so people can find you. Now this bottom section, this is the third and most important section. This is the organics, and how you rank here is backlinks. So a backlink is when one website links back to your website. It gives you a link basically sending its traffic from its website to your website. So the more you have, it's like a popularity contest in Google's eyes. The more backlinks you have that are relevant, mind you, that's important. They have to be relevant. If Pizza Hut were to give you guys a backlink, it's not going to be as powerful as, say, a home remodeling company that would send you their traffic, to do their carpets, or another carpet cleaning company that has a link from their website to your website. So let's see how many backlinks you have. I have another tool I use that I pay for monthly, and this is the best tool you could possibly have. I plugged in your guys' info or your URL up here, and it's going to show me an overall view of your stats, the keywords, the backlinks you have, how powerful your site is. So you guys have a UR and a DR of 25 and 2.4. Now this is the overall trust of your website, and this is the strength of your backlink profile. So this can go up to 100 being the strongest. So a 2.4 is telling me you don't have very strong backlinks at the moment. You do have 367, but the only ones transferring any power at the moment are the 27 of them. These do follow backlinks right here. You're ranking for 18 keywords, but you're only getting about 3 traffic, and let's see why. Let's see why. So as we click on your keywords, this is going to show me a keyword, how many times that keyword's being typed into the Google search bar, and the position that you're in for it. So carpet cleaning, Jacksonville, Florida. Humongous keyword. This would be the keyword that I would want in a heading right here. I'd want it in the H1. I'd want it throughout my content because that is humongous. That's 1,100 people looking for carpet cleaning in Jacksonville each and every month. But you're in the 18th position. That's the second page. No one ever goes there. This would be my main focus keyword, and we would be adding backlinks using this as an anchor text on other sites, writing blogs in representation of this keyword, and we would be focusing on that one along with all these other ones too. This is people looking directly for you, but you're in 6th position for your own name. Veteran-owned carpet cleaning near me, there's 30 searches for that a month. You're on the 2nd page. Floor stripping companies near me, 200 searches. Floor stripping and waxing, 20. Carpet cleaned near me, 800 searches. Carpet cleaning companies in Jacksonville, 50 searches a month. You're on the 17th position. That's the 2nd page. 1 through 10 is the 1st page. Carpet cleaning service in Jacksonville, 70 searches. Carpet cleaning Jacksonville, 100. There is so much volume for your keywords in your area. We would pick the top 10, and then we build that 1,500 words of content for your homepage with those keywords strategically placed throughout. So when someone types it, Google recognizes it, and as long as we add some powerful backlinks to your website, get you ranking up in the top for those keywords, boom, you're going to see a huge change. Now let's look at your competitions. So they have a 36 and a 13th. They have 1,500 backlinks coming from 200 referring domains. So that's 200 different websites giving them a total of 1,500 backlinks. Now it's telling me with this high of backlinks, they only have a 13. That's a very weak number, so their backlinks aren't strong. 62 of them are transferring power. They can easily be beatable, but look at their traffic. 1,200 people to their website. Look at their value, and that's a rough estimate. But let's see their keywords. Carpet cleaning Jacksonville, 1,100. Carpet cleaners Jacksonville, 350. Carpet clean, same as yours, but they're in 1st position. Look at, they're in 1st position. They're getting almost 300 people to their website alone from this one keyword by ranking number 1. And we know we could beat them, so that would be your traffic coming to you. You would have that 300. And I don't know what a job is worth to you, but say you closed 100 or half of that 300, that's 150 jobs you got out of that. Woo! So anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was content. You need 1,500 words with those keywords strategically placed throughout. Second thing was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number to get you ranked in this section. I suggest getting 100 to 200. Beat these guys out, and then also get your name out there in more directories so people can find you. And the third and most important, link juice or backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that your company is the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call, 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, Mike and Will, both of you. I hope you guys reach back out. Any information and feedback on the video is greatly appreciated, and I hope you guys have a great day, and look forward to speaking with you. Bye-bye.